Hi folks, today's theme is listen. So I'm going to teach you a fairly simple pattern today, and then I invite you to listen into what the handpan wants to do with that and lean into some other melodies and shapes as you see fit. And if you don't want to explore further, whether you just want to place it the same thing, then I invite you to listen to your body and see what your body needs as you play today. So it's going to look like this. So you can see there's a fairly simple melody happening. Melody starts on note 5, and it goes to note 4, and then it goes to note 3. And there's only 2 chords happening here. The first one is note 1 and 2. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then again same chord, 1 and 2, and then we move the melody, 4 and then we move to the second chord, which is the ding, and note 1, 1 and 2 and 3. And then the melodies come down to note 3, and that happens 2 times in a row. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And we're going to have that like heartbeat type feel here by putting in another strike of the chord on the end of the 4, right at the end of the bar. If you want to see what that looks like on paper, find the handpanuary notation on Patreon. But if you don't have that, all you need to know is that it sounds like a heartbeat. Dum, 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 dum. Ba, ba, 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 dum, dum. Sorry about the outside sounds, if you can hear them. I'm just gonna listen to them and let them be what they are. Ba, ba. Oops. And of course, if you want to move that melody, you can. And you can add some extra notes if you want to as well. And if you've got an extended scale, you can start to utilize bottom notes. Just to make those chords a little bit fuller. And then we always bring it back to the original. So we can really relax into it. And there you have it. So I invite you to take this practice now for the next 10 minutes or so on your own in your space. Start to play around with it, see what feels good, and yeah, enjoy.